Hello friends and family on Truelove Quilts for You. This is Ian filling in for my darling Jean, who, as many of you probably know, has been ill for a while. It's turning out to be, what do they call it out there, long COVID virus that just won't go away, and her chest has not been healthy for months. Horrible cough, really frightening for me. Feeling helpless, not being able to do anything. But one of our sons, who had been healthy forever, just recently got COVID, and he tried a particular concoction of natural ingredients, mainly vitamin or vitamin, as we say, C, with other minerals, etc., with an alkaline added in, Alka-Seltzer, believe it or not, and the combination has stopped Jean coughing, hacking, and although she's still somewhat breathless, we're hoping for better things. It was such a panic recently that I took her to the emergency room, and they gave her some breathing assistance with these therapies, and that did help and overcome the panic at the time, because she really was extremely anxious, couldn't get her breath. And now I think he's always beautiful, but looking fairly good again and not gasping for breath. She's due to see a pulmonologist, and I'm trying to get the October appointment that she's been given brought forward. I'm going to start calling every day and seeing if there's a cancellation. So that's personal. Maybe some of you out there are suffering as well with these mysterious viruses. There's lots of even younger ones who are ill unexpectedly. What is going on? But anyway, we are smiling at you right now, and hopefully we'll hear from you. Jean loves to get your comments still, so email in, or however you do it, on Truelove Quilts for You YouTube. We have friends that we met just recently. We had an international convention in Philadelphia. Some old friends came from abroad, but especially I think it was 3,500 from 20 different countries, delegates invited to our special convention, and it was wonderful meeting people from loads of countries, staying in touch in the several days since that convention 2 weekends ago. Our friends from Japan, from Greece, we've got some in the Netherlands, amongst South Africans, and it's just a lovely thing. Anyway, it was a Christian congregation, and there really was love in the air. Very, very nice. And by the way, I think we have to look at least one more of you dear friends' sewing rooms, and any others who want to show their creative juices, origins coming out of their sewing rooms by sharing with all of us just the creative spaces that you've made in your homes, or art galleries, or whatever you might call them, where you create these wonderful works of arts, your quilts. So if you want to send the pictures in and we can share them and review, I enjoy doing that. So sorry for the gap in between us speaking to you, because of what's going on out there and affecting us as well. But get in touch with us again. We love it when you're emailing, when you're commenting on YouTube. So we love you. Ian and Jean signing off, the Trueloves. Bye for now.